My name is Quinn Wolbecker, proud principal of Link Elementary School. Welcome to the principal's office. I'm curious to know how many of you have ever run a marathon before. Maybe you've been a spectator or maybe you know somebody who's run the marathon. Nonetheless, I want you to think of that visual as we talk about today's topic, the Common Core State Standards. You've most likely heard this term before, so let's dissect what it means and get real practical about how they're implemented here at Link School. The Common Core State Standards are exactly that. They're learning standards that nearly all states have in common. Prior to the Common Core State Standards, each state governed the learning standards at each grade level. So what was expected to be taught in fourth grade here in Illinois was not the same as any other state in America. And this inconsistency has always made it a challenge to compare the quality of education from state to state, as well as create a single common assessment that showed the progress of the nation. By utilizing the Common Core State Standards, we now have the exact same expectations for our students and can take an assessment used across the nation to better understand our progress. The second critical word in that title is core. The standards, written by the National Governors Association Center of Best Practices and the Council of Chief State School Offices, with participation from teachers, researchers, higher education, and the general public, focus on the essential skills and practices at each grade level. The standards have been designed to build upon each other so students feel prepared when advancing to the next level. I've heard the standards described as a staircase with frequent landings, showing that each skill builds on the previous while allowing chances for students to pause, take assessments, and feel prepared on their continued progress. The shift to Common Core State Standards has meant several key changes for us here at Link School and across the district. First, the content in each grade level shifted to match the Common Core State Standards outline. So what was taught last year in second grade, for instance, is not identical to what's being taught in second grade this year. These concepts have shifted to grade levels below or above, and some have remained within second grade, ultimately attempting to create a better staircase for students to climb. Second, the curriculum in each grade level has shifted, primarily in math and literacy. Our district spent the entire year last year taking our existing curriculum and aligning it to the Common Core State Standards, with the help of teachers all across the district. What we're teaching in math and literacy combines all of the critical elements of our curriculum, as well as introduces the rigorous components required by the Common Core State Standards. Third, the way in which we confirm students have learned each lesson has shifted as well. We typically know when students have learned something through a combination of classroom tasks, assessments like tests and quizzes, and homework. We still utilize all of these things, only in slightly different capacities. We place a strong emphasis on the work done in the classroom, as this provides us an in-depth understanding of their ability to apply the concept to a real-life situation. We've also adapted our assessments to allow students to demonstrate their ability to apply important concepts. And we've adjusted some of the homework to actually take place within the classroom so they can work on it and, most importantly, discuss and critique their thoughts with their classmates. In essence, there's less daily homework practice and more ongoing applications. We firmly believe that the Common Core State Standards provide us with the framework that will allow us to prepare our students for college and the workplace, and that is our ultimate goal, college and career readiness. In upcoming conversations, I'll go into more depth about the Common Core State Standards and its impact on Link School. Until then, please check out some of these resources. So as we begin this journey, our own educational marathon, you can see that just like the running race, we have quite a challenge in front of us. We take this challenge on with eager anticipation that by the end of the marathon, or by the end of high school, our students will be ready for the next step of college or a career. And just like the marathon, there are checkpoints and aid stations all along the way that assess each child and allow them to move on with confidence through the support of all the professionals here in the building. So with that said, let the race begin. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.